Hey everyone, welcome to Simply Learn's YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn how to create a graph in Excel. But before we begin, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simply Learn. Now without further ado, let's get started with our one-point agenda, that is, how to create graph in Excel. Now, for this, let's get back to Excel and look at some data. So now we are on Excel. Let me expand my screen a little bit. So if you look at my screen, we have two different columns. One column is about the years and the second column is about the revenue. Now what we want to do is we want to create a line graph where we have year on the x-axis and revenue on the y-axis, and we will be generating a line graph based on the data we have. Now for that, we have to select the entire data what we have. Then we need to go into the insert option in the toolbar, and then you can see a lot of chart options in the insert ribbon. Now here you can see that we have a line chart or area chart option. Select that, and here you can see 2D line graphs. Now let's select the first one, and there you go. You have the line chart here. Now let's rename the title. And there is one problem with the chart here. You can see that the x-axis is not actually pointing the years. You can make a change to that, no worries. Just right click and then you can see the select data option, and there you go. You have the edit option here. Just edit it and now select the range. I am selecting the years now. Let's select OK, and there you go. You have the years here. You can just try to expand it a little more. Yeah. So now you have the revenue on the y-axis and year on the x-axis, and this shows the growth of revenue in your company. So this is how you create a line graph in Excel. So with that, we have come to an end of this tutorial on how to create a graph using Excel. If you have any queries regarding the topics covered in this particular tutorial, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to resolve all your queries. Until next time, thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simply Learn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.